Trust is packed with cutting-edge features that set new standards for sound quality and situational awareness, making communication with friends and loved ones more enjoyable so you can live life more fully. The breakthrough features Crosslink Directionality 2 and Personal Sound ID are Beltone's latest speech enhancement technologies. They help deliver sound to your ears the way nature intended. Crosslink Directionality 2 constantly monitors your sound environment and automatically focuses on speech, so you can always hear what's being said, even as the location and number of people talking change. Personal Sound ID lets you identify where sounds are coming from by mimicking the natural sound level differences between your ears. When combined with Crosslink Directionality 2, this gives you more natural hearing with an unmatched level of situational awareness. Beltone Trust. Premier hearing care. Here, there, anywhere.